Kids, I'll help you in a few minutes. I'm just going to videotape for 2 minutes.
I don't want to play against Dad, I don't want to play against Selena anymore. She's boring.
She's boring? Do you realize I'm videotaping this? Helena's going to see this in like 30 years and she's going to say, my brother said I was boring.
I don't like that pink though. I want to play with Mom. Too bad. I already have.
Tell you what, why don't you play frisbee with your sister and then I'll play with you.
Really? Yeah.
Jillian, that was a great catch.
Yeah. You play frisbee with sister and then when I'm done, then you can play.
Oh yeah.
Hey, there goes another barge. Look at that barge pushing the tugboat. Hey, Michelle, there's a tugboat coming, pushing a barge. You want to go watch it?
Yeah, in a minute. We'll have plenty of time.
All right. Here, can I try?
Dad, pass it to me!
Huh?
Can I videotape?
No, I don't want you to drop the camera. Because if you drop it in the sand, that's the end of the camera. Okay, it's already, the tape's already rolling, so.
Good. I can really see
Okay, it's already videotaping. Is the number counting?
Yep.
152, good.
Hi guys!
Hi, Helena. Okay, come here, Jillian.
Oh, you were the pig!
Oh. Okay, you ready?
I wasn't ready for that.
Good job, Jilly! Guess we have some friends here.
Helena, why don't you get Mommy and Addison playing ping pong?
Hi!
Hi.
Hi, Addison. Addison!
I get a point, right? Yeah, you get a point. Whenever I hit it,
That's good for now.
Close, Jillian.
Hey, Daddy. Can we stop the thing
Yep,
now?
yeah, let me see it. I'll take it back.
Is it okay?
Okay. Addison, is Mommy cheating?
No.
Because I'll keep my eye on her if you think she's cheating.
I got that point.
You did get that point.
I got 3 against Widow.
Question, what?
I didn't play it.
Yeah, it's Julian's turn to play now.
Wait, Mama.
I know, just...
Okay,
Julian
I'll play
hasn't played
frisbee.
this at all yet, and then I'll play with you.
I'll play frisbee.
We'll play frisbee with that.
Give me the best
Ready?
shot.
You weren't even ready. You gotta hit the ball, baby.
Hey, oh, Michelle, let's go. Hey, kids, who wants to go see a tugboat?
All right, let's go see the tugboat.
Kids, come on, let's go see the tugboat. Michelle, I thought you said we got plenty of time.
Wow.
They're pushing a barge, kids. Yeah. If there's anybody on it, let's wave to them.